Bob, you gotta say hi to the vlog. Yes, sir. We got a new buck and an old buck. And then you got me, Jimmy Jansen style. I don't think you guys are gonna hear anything. But we gotta get Queen Bee down for her first trip in 2 years. So, guys, I just want to say hello. Welcome to the Vliggity vlog. And we are snowboarding in this one. We got no bike content, boys. We're gonna do a couple passes with the lady and then we were gonna start grooving, boys. So I'll have my homie Doug grab my phone for me and start recording. Okay, yeah, there you go. Do some rip outs, bub. You got it. Just go slow, stay on your heels, remember? That's all. Go slow, stay on your heels. Go slow, stay on your heels. And then once you can start going across the mountain, come back. Now go back across this way. There you go. Go catch Dougie real quick. I got you, don't worry. Oh! Goddamn it down! Woo! Get out of the way early, you know? That's it. Ken Dog's cruising, baby. Oh. Good job, babe. You're cruising. Just be careful. People are coming up on us from behind. Just try and stay to one side. Come on, dude. Oh, man. How was that butt slap? Came in nice and spicy for you. We got that T-Race with the Libbies. We're the Libby boys, right? We the Libby boys? Alright, I'm gonna follow your lead, Libby boy. Mr. Step On. Mr. Step On, Step Out. Oh, I'm gonna freeze my hands on this one for you guys. We're gonna do one continuous run, guys. I'll flip the camera around too. Hold on. By the way, guys, we haven't rode since our motorcycle accident, so we're gonna just go down like a thing. Oh no, not Doug's butt cheeks. Big Doug's professional filmer today. Hey-oh! Hey-oh! Yeah! Holy mackerel, guys, it is cold out here. The hands are freezing. Look at that Jersey view, boys. Look at that Jersey view. Alright, we're good. We're freaking ready to rip, guys. We had a little bit of an intermission as I'm going off the trail. Oh, Dougie down. It is chilly. Mach 10, baby. There he is. There he is. Let's hit Mach speed there, babe. All right. Let's hit it. Woo! Hell yeah, baby. There it comes. Like I never left. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay. Yep, we're ready. Well, boys, we got technical difficulties here. We lost the boat. And my bonding's done. We shall see how this works out. Boy, you got too gnarly on the hits. We got too gnarly on the hits. My fucking bindings. Hot 97, tell him why you mad. Hot 97, tell him why you mad.
I'm mad because there's a little bit of a lift on today.
There's a little bit of a lift line. Doctor. Reporting doctor. We kicked the women to the lodge and we say, heck yeah, brother. It is sunny though. It's definitely... Is it crazy that I'm terrified of heights? And lifts scare the living shizness off me, but I love snowboarding that much that I don't know how I bear with it. But I swear to God, the whole time we're on a lift, all I think about is what am I going to do if this thing if we just fall out of our seats? Pretty much so. I have no fighting chance to do anything other than what Destiny's got in store for me.
Pretty much.
After you, boss. Let's see what's Dougie doing. Dougie doing. Who that? Yes, sir.